Hello guys, welcome back to day 4 of my Kaftan digital design challenge, and I hope you did not miss from day 1 to day 3. So in this particular video you can see I'm using a longer Kaftan top design that is below the ankle, sorry, below the knee, I mean, sorry. And I'll be using this, and this is just going to be a very simple concept. And the idea about this day 4 Kaftan is mixing Kaftan fabric with either ashoke to create a stripes, like a stripe design with ashoke and kaftan color. You get. So I will show you what I'm trying to say in this tutorial. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more video. And if you need this base design, the link is in the description box. You can purchase it and follow from where I'm starting in this tutorial. So let's do this. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I want to create a stripes, right? I'm going to leave everything like, okay, should I? I'm looking at one or two things. Okay, let me go with this then. Okay, I'll do the stripes. So this is what I want to do. I might probably have to delete these lines, delete this one, and I'm going to delete this one too. So let's delete this first. We'll come back to this later, and come back to this options is 5. So probably have to delete this and delete this. So okay, so we are good to go. So let me look at it from here, this angle, and I'm going to select Z on my keyboard. I'm going to select all the line here. I'm going to right click, offset internal line. Yes, and let me set it to 20 or set it to like 30. I see 50. Let me see 50. 50 is quite large. 50 will not be bad. Let me use 50. I'm going to set 1, 2, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 4. Okay, we have this. Select OK. Yeah, so I'm going to right click and select cut and sew. So I'll do the same thing here. Select the lines here. Right click, offset as internal line, and select OK. I have to do the same thing to the arm here. So I'm going to select this, offset as internal line, and it's too much. Yeah, we have this. So cut and sew. Yeah, and cut and sew. Let me see. Right click. Yeah, cut and sew. I mean. Okay, base design clear. Okay, let me save this. I Ctrl Shift S. So I'm going to let me go to where I saved my file. Come in. So where, okay, use D4. So for the pocket and for the sleeves, I'll just use a single color, or the pocket single color. So yeah, I'll just tell ChatGPT my idea, just brief it up and let it decide the ashoke. I want to use ashoke for this. So I designed a kaftan on Clo3d. Okay, with several cuts to create a stripe, and I want to use a show fabric with fabric with fabric, and don't let me use with and kaftan fabric color. So give me or suggest an idea. Anyone suggest an idea. So would you like a 4K Ashoki texture and the normal map for the stripe panel? I can yes. Let me just say yes. So let's move with this. So just have to wait for it to generate. So the reason why I can do a lot on ChatGPT is because I'm using ChatGPT Plus. I'm not using the free version. I had to subscribe to ChatGPT Plus, and that is why I'm able to do a lot more on ChatGPT. And if you want to be able to generate more images, especially for fabrics, you need to subscribe to ChatGPT Plus. You can't keep waiting for 24 hours all the time, because I think you can only generate 5 images every 24 hours. So imagine you've wasted all your images or your prompts for images or your image results without getting the result you want. You get, so you have to wait for another 24 hours. So that's why I had to subscribe to ChatGPT Plus and figure out a way to understand how to generate fabric on ChatGPT properly. So this is it here, still loading, still generating. Okay, wow, this is nice and this is very beautiful. Generate, can you see? I didn't even, it's doing the next one, it's generating the normal map immediately. So it's very great. This is very great. Normally you would have used probably Photoshop, go through the process of using the, I think it's not 3D filter also to generate a normal map. So but this is beautiful. So okay, I'll use both. Yes, I'll use both, and this is nice. um okay, I didn't check the color I want to use. What about, okay, oh, Xcode optional for the fabric type is, and they said I should use fabric type should be cashmere blend with eye thread, and this now I'm trying to change some things. And for that Shopee fabric, is it ivory or light ash? I'm coming. Okay, they say cashmere, so I have to go for cashmere. Let's go to fabric. I want to search for cashmere. I know there is here, I've seen it before. I've seen this before, so I want to see something. I want to see how it looks like. So I'm coming. Oh my god, something is wrong. So this the fabric that's supposed to be above, it's not supposed to come out. So I'm coming. I need to change this as soon as possible. So this is what I want to select. It's already inside, so I need to bring the layer out because it's for the neck. So let's see if it's going to come out. Yes, it has to come out. Yes, one. I have to wait for it to simulate. Else, Very annoying. I have to put it. This is all I have to put it. Yes. So I have to do the same thing here. So sorry. Exactly. So I don't want you to go inside again. So I've stopped my simulation and we just need to select the one that will transfer to the cashmere. So let me start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Okay. I didn't cut this. Hey. What the hell is this? Am I even supposed to be doing the 1 1? I think I don't know. Don't just keep doing this. I thought I cut this. I thought I did. Oh, just do some cut and sew. Let's wait for it to load. So let me see. This part is so. Yep. So I'm going to select from here, 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 and here, and let's see. Okay, yeah, this is good. So I won't use silk chiffon for this. I need to add a new fabric, and let's do this fabric, right? So we need to go to the base color, open texture editor, and we're going to add the fabric we downloaded. Yes, this one. Yes, and apply and close. So I'm going to go to the normal map to open, add, and we're going to put this in. Yes, this is normal map. So apply and close. So let's see how it looks like. For okay, I'm coming. We are not done yet, so I need to do 1 or 2 things. Come. Okay, I'll go back to give me a color code or a eye thread count for it. Let me use, let's see how it looks like on teal trail. Okay, and we need to click on this, go to this, and okay, I'm supposed to desaturate the base color so I can see this. Wow, this nice. It looks somehow to me, but I'll try the charcoal also. There's a charcoal colors there. I'll just use the color wheel to create 2 different color. So since this is how it looks like, okay, just have to do the same thing to the, let me check the, did I use address for the, let me see if I use this for the, if I use this for this and I use this for this, I don't know. Okay, let's go for the pants. I'm coming. So 1, sorry, 1, 2, 3. Hey, what did I just do now? These and the A and these to these. That's the same thing to the back. So one, oh sorry, 1, 2, 3. As per 1. This is not too bad. Something simple. And for the neck, should I use? Let me use the embroidery for the neck. I think that's, or is there any pattern left? Okay, that's good. We'll just select the pattern. Oh sorry, I want to turn off my simulation. I want to change the layer back to 0. Nope. Ctrl Z. And the reason why this thing is shrinking is because, or the color adjusted is because of the fabric property. So I need to use the fabric property I used here. And when I use there is what? Knit terry. So I need to use knit terry here. Where is knit terry? So I just use that, yeah. So let me see if it's not going to do the same thing. You can see this is better. So I'm using knit terry. Okay, and let me select the silk chiffon. Where's the pattern? I need to change it back to 0. I select the pattern, sorry. Okay, change it back to 0. And let's use this fabric instead. And if this is not okay, we can also use this one. But let me just leave it like this. Let me leave it like this. So this is not bad. Oh, I think this is not bad. I'm just looking at the color blend, but it's not too bad. So we also need to change the color of this thread. Let me see if apply and close. So let's go to production. Let's go to colorway because I want to check the other color and see how it looks like on it. So I need to just click on this plus icon to add a new colorway. I'm going to check it on this fabric. Just need to go to fabric and this particular color. Yes, I'll go to my ChatGPT and I'm going to still covering my stuff. 34. So okay, Control C, and I'm going back to Clo. I'm going to scroll down. Let's see the charcoal color, and this is why color is very important. So you can check out the. So this is why do I feel this is better. This is better than that color. I don't know. Yeah, this looks good. So we just need to change the thread to. I'll change this to. So you can see this. So this is just a simple design for day 4. And thank you for watching this tutorial, following me on my Kaftan challenge. So we are going to move into day 5 tomorrow, and please don't forget to turn on your notification to get updated on day 5 tutorial. So thank you once again for watching this video, and you can always get the project file in the link in the description box. Thank you once again.